One TV special report.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Letter C, unsigned business whereby we have two appointments, Honorable Chair. The first appointment is a resolution concurring, adopting, and implementing the Philippine Plan of Action for Nutrition PPPN 2023 to 2028. I yield now to Chairman of the Committee on Public Health and Sanitation, Honorable Catherine Lim, to introduce and implement this item, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Lim, you are hereby recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. On joint motion, I would like to pass a resolution concurring, adopting, and implementing the Philippine Plan of Action for Nutrition, or PPAN 2023 to 2028 for first reading with reservation.
The Honorable Lim is passing this resolution, a resolution concurring, adopting, and implementing the Philippine Plan of Action for Nutrition PPAN 2023 to 2028 for first reading on joint motion. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For urgency, I would like to pass this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the need of this resolution, the Honorable Lim is passing this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comments or remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Second appointment session, resolution realigning at the amount of 115,340 pesos and 70 centavos from item terminal leave benefits to monetization of leave credits, Office of City Council. I move, Honorable Chair, that motion to approve this resolution of realignment of the amount of 115,340 pesos and 70 centavos from the item terminal benefits to the account monetization of leave credits under the Office City Council approval on the first reading with reservations, Chair.
There's a motion from our majority floor leader, a resolution realigning the amount of 115,348.75 from the item terminal leave benefits to monetization of leave credits in the Office of the City Council. For first reading with reservation, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to the urgency and to espouse sound fiscal management, I move the motion to approve a resolution realigning the amount of 150,340 centavos from item terminal benefits to monetization of leave credits, Office City Council for approval on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Chair.
Due to the need and urgency of this resolution, the majority floor leader is passing this resolution realigning the amount of 115,348.75 from the item terminal leave benefits to monetization of leave credits of the Office of the City Council for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comments or reactions? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending items on my table under item number 10. Basis for third reading. So at the juncture, Honorable Chair, we have the special privilege to hear on special matters from Honorable Dinky Siso, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Suiso, you are hereby acknowledged by the Chair.
For PCL matters, none as of the moment, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May you also have the privilege and pleasure to hear on scheme matters from Honorable John Phil Dendon de Lungsod, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Duhay Lungsod, you are hereby recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. For scheme matters, I would like to inform this Sanggunian that last July 6, 2024, natapos na ang gipahigayon ang first Asenso Ozamis Taekwondo tournament, and the overall champion is Team HBB Miss Ok, and won the prize of 50,000 for the team demonstrations CDO main gym, 30,000 cash prize, and the 3 versus 3 CDO main gym ang midaog sa gihapon, 25,000 cash prize, and the 5 versus 5 ang midaog kay KSM Iligan Hybrid, 25K ang cash prize, Madam Chair. And also the MVP for male ang midaog kay si Bryden Ivan Patigi from KSM Iligan, ay daog of 15,000 pesos. And for the female MVP is Chloe Cabanag from ORDO, ay daog 15,000. And for the wood breaking, Madam Chair, James Aragonas from Iligan Blazing Jeans, ay daog 10,000 pesos cash prize. And Janelle Sagario, 10,000 pesos cash prize from the ORD or the Ozamis Red Dragon. And for the exclusive kick, ay gidaog kay si Michael Porras Jr., gidaog 10,000 cash prize from CDO Main Gym. And also Cielo Marie Apag is also from CDO Main Gym, Madam Chair. And also ongoing karon ang second Governor Henry Waminal's chess tournament at Aya Hotel and Residences. And also, Madam Chair, the SK Federation session will be moved on July 19, 2024 here at the city of Ozamis. And then before mag-session, we will mag-soft launch sa program sa SK ang pabasa ni SK, which is target sa baga SK Federation President sa Miss of, Madam Chair, is to help sa mga bata nga hinay pa sa reading, sa basa. So inahinay pa ang soft launch ana, Madam Chair. And also the Regional Task Force for the Provincial Youth Development Plan on the PYDP will be on July 16 to 19. So first time sa Misamis Occidental na mag-host sa RTF PYDP, Madam Chair. Arrival will be on July 15 or 16, and it's our kanang tawag aning privilege nga motor or mobisita ang mga young board members uban sa ilahang mga LIDO or Local Youth Development Officer on July 18 at the Asenso Ozamis Wellness Park. And we are inviting my colleagues here in the City Council if bakante nga mo join para sa pag-abi-abi sa mga bisita, mga young board members and local youth development officers from the northern Mindanao and from Caraga region, Madam Chair. And also in connection with the DILG memorandum, Madam Chair, regarding the Batang Pinoy National Championship 2024, I already endorsed from to the city mayors the mga players for the chess tournament. To mention for the record, Zach Zodiel A. Laroya and Kin Zian M. Yungod. So na-endorse na nato sila sa city mayors for the approval of our good city mayor, Madam Chair. And also for swimming event sa Batang Pinoy competition, Sheblon A. Montiera, 16 years old from Carmen Annex, John Carl Condi, 16 years old from Banyadero, and Princess Kairich C. Conde, 12 years old and also from Banyadero, and Francisco D. Luansing, 16 years old from Bagakay. 2024 medalist ni sila tanan sa swimming, Madam Chair. And also, we are encouraging gyapon those mga athletes na willing mo join sa Batang Pinoy competition nga i-held sa karong December 2024 sa Palawan. If they are willing, naminaw karon, send lang letter in my office and we will endorse it to the office of the city mayor. Kay dili sila automatically maka-join sa Batang Pinoy competition kung wala ang endorsement sa city, sa LGU. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Thank you for your vital report and information, Honorable Chanfield.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this point of time, we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on ABC matters from Honorable John Carlo Morayon, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Morayon, you are hereby acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair. Ako alang gamay, ako ipaila-ila ninyo ang bagong membro sa Liga ng mga Barangay Osami City. Ang ato ang bagong kapitan sa Barangay Sinusa, Cap Bano. Cap. Ikaw, pailailang imong kagalingon o kung saan ka kahimsog.
So we will welcome our new kapitan in Barangay Sinusa.
Sa ato ang hardworking Governor Henry Suaminal, sa ato ang Congressman Ando Waminal, sa ato ang batanon o maptikon nga Mayor Andy Suaminal Jr. uban sa kauban sa konsiyo nga niakaron, sa mga media o sa tanang nga bisita, maayong hapon kanatong tanan. Ako di ay si Jojo Bano, ang bagong na-appoint nga barangay captain sa Sinusa. In behalf sa ngalan sa barangay Sinusa, uban sa katawhan sa Sinusa, among itunol ang amo ang kinising-kasing nga pasalamat tungod kay ang among barangay karon na i-appeal na uban na sa ato ang Team Asinso. So salamat kaayo sa suporta o pagdawat sa Team Asinso kanako. So sa makausap pa, daghan kayong salamat sa Team Asinso Usamis. Maayong hapon karatong tanan.
Congratulations.
Honorable Chair.
Congratulations and welcome to Team Asinso, our new kapitan sa Barangay Sinusa, Kapitan Jojo Bano. So, good luck sad Kap sa ato ang mga trabaho as public servant.
So, welcome to Asinso team. At least, mga katawan sa Sinusa, enjoy na sa mga benefits sa Asinso team. Thank you and welcome. Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this point in time, we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on matters concerning the indigenous people from Honorable Bae Linda Patigon, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Bae, you are hereby acknowledged by the Chair.
Again, thank you very much, Presiding Officer and Majority Floor Leader. Since dool-dool naman ang Subanin Week, ako na lang pong basahon o balik ang Ordinance Number 1068-15. An ordinance recognizing, protecting, and preserving Subanin costume and tradition in Osami City, jointly to effect the mandate of RE 8371, the Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act of 1997, and declaring July 11 to 17 of every year as a Subanin Week. That's all, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Before I proceed to item number 15, this morning, almost all members of this body went to the I Hotel to join and support the second Governor Hindi Examinal Chess Festival, sir. And few of our colleagues here joined the simultaneous play with GM Editore, which includes Honorable Katat Lim, Honorable John Sakin, and yours truly. And I'm happy to report that in my case, I have a late lunch this afternoon at 1 o'clock to finish my game with Hintering, and it ended in a draw. So I was able to come here for decision, sir. It was a draw between me and GM Torre. Thank you very much, sir. Now I proceed to item number 10. If there are no more relevant material information from my colleagues, Honorable Chair, I will see certain things to manifest.
Honorable Suiso, you are acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair and Majority Floor Leader. Since we will be meeting for the next regular session next week, allow me to again reiterate our upcoming activities starting tonight until July 16. For tonight, that's July 9, we will be having our singing contest, Battle of Champions, at Wellness Park, the amphitheater. It's 6 o'clock in the evening, and we will be wearing our Subanan-inspired uniform tonight. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock in the morning, few of the councilors, together with me is Councilor Sani Waminal, Councilor John Fildoy Lungsod, Councilor Katkat Lim, and Councilor Ling Fuentes will be welcoming Senator Bong Revilla, at the airport. Then we will proceed to the city gym where our mayor is waiting for the welcoming party, including Senator Bong Revilla. And we will be wearing padayon shirt for tomorrow. On the 12th, that's the gala night, 6 o'clock in the evening at the city gym, and we are expected to wear our tuxedo and suits for the men and long gown for the women.
We have marathon on the 12th, 14th?
12 pata.
Okay.
On the 13th, we will be having our Archbishop's Night. So we will be wearing our Alagang Waminal shirt for the 13th Saturday, Archbishop at the Wellness Park, 6 o'clock in the evening. On the 14th, On the 14th in the morning, early morning, that's early dawn, 3 o'clock, half marathon, everybody is expected to be there at the Wellness Park ang starting. Then it will be also a very busy day because in the evening we will be attending the Miss Ascenso Ozamis Tourism 2024 at Wellness Park. Our attire is kaning ato ang pangsasyon. Filipiniana and Barong. That's for Miss Ascenso Ozamis Tourism, Barong. That's Sunday, July 14. On July 15, we will have our Barangay Night. Mayonnaise will be here at the City Hall while Barangay Day or Barangay Night is at Wellness Park. We will be wearing again our padayon shirt. Ang tulo, balik-balik lang yun. Sa 15 sa gabi. On the 16, the Pirangat Festival morning is the street dancing, and 1 o'clock is the ritual here at our City Hall grounds. we will be wearing again our tribal inspired polo. Pero siya, especially yung imong tribal kuan. And on the 15th evening, 16 pirangat, 1 o'clock ritual, that's until 4 o'clock awarding ceremony of all the contests that we are having, including the barangay, beautification, and clean up, including the winners also of the Pirangat Festival. And subanon after the whole 16. That will be our activities, Madam Chair, and also the outfits to wear. And also after this, please visit Honorable Cecil Co's office because we have Biko and Maha. Plus, we will have our short practice for the Macarena steps. Because during the gala night, everybody will stand up on the finishing of the competition of the performance for mass dance for the Macarena steps. Kadjut ra kaayo, short ra kaayo. So again, ato ta karon after here sa office ni Ate Cecil para sa practice sa Macarena steps. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Suiso, for your vital information. So, if anybody katong wala nakakuha sa mga dates, unsay attire, Honorable Suiso, okay. Okay, Honorable Ko.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Since July 16 is a holiday, and July 16 is also a Tuesday, so are we going to move our regular session to another date?
Yes, Honorable Chair, that's supposed to be my topic. I recommend that we have a session on Wednesday, July 17. 1 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
So, is it all right with you? Our regular session will be on July 17.
I guess it would be the perfect schedule, Madam Chair, since on July 18, there will be a Committee of the Whole hearing schedule on July 18.
Yes, Honorable Bai.
Madam Chair, for clarification lang, Madam Chair, pwede mangutanan lang ko ni Consel Dinky about the rituals. Kung kinsa ang balyan nga nakuha. Kay kung mag-rituals, mangguta sa tribo, is kinanglan nga na siya balyan. Thank you.
Yes, Honorable Suiso.
For the information of our Sabanan representative, our Pirangat Festival is now a free interpretation. So we are no longer strict with the Subanon because Pirangat is a Subanon term for the Asenso. So we will do away with the strict instructions, the rituals, and the tributes. We will be making it as a free interpretation. So it's welcoming kung depende sa na nimo pag-improve ang particular, pero ang base lagi hapon ang Sabanan, but dili na ginato stricto makinanglan na ibaboy ihawon na manok o anon magpakasal, giwala na tong tanang rituals, gihimo na siya FI, wala siya sa Cebu bitaw ang sinulog na i-base na IFI. So mo na to para dili gyud ta maka-violate sa Subanon gyud nga kuan kaning ilang strict nga compliance sa customs and traditions. Inspired na lang siya nga kuan kanang festival. Sa gibase na to sa Pirangat nga provincial edition.
Okay.
Thank you.
So naapod na siya mga guidelines para aron ma-follow nila.
Yes, pero dili gitong last nga Subanon nga grabe ka strict tong even the color, the steppings, kinanglan mo follow sa Subanon. Karon murag mo to ang gihimo siya og kaning free. Kuan siya ba? Broaden lang, wala gyud kay stricto para dili ka violate sa ilahang custom and tradition.
Okay, thank you for that vital information. Yes, Bai, you have something to say?
Ako lang po itong iklaro, Madam Chair, kay kung nakadungog mong ko pag-istorya niya nga na-schedule for ritual. So, once mong mag-ritual, so kinahanglan siya balian. Thank you. Naklaro na nako nga, wala din siya. Wala din siya rituals nga mahitabo. Thank you.
Is there
If there are no
any
more
information?
other matters which my colleagues wish to be more discussed by the Honorable Chair? See you on July 17 at 1:35 afternoon. I move to adjourn the negotiation, Honorable Chair.
Session adjourned.
One TV special report.